What? The world, it's not a plan. Here we go on, man. Hey, yo. Hey, franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You know when I come for representing a full effecting, man. Know it go already? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. You don't know the people's champion. Oh, you mean? You don't know a Gaza favorite. Damn road. You don't know the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me in Gaza nation. Right about now, you know. We come for big up the people them who keep the eye warmer award ceremony. And we got big up on stage too. To give them platform that them could have share the ceremony upon them platform, cause two are going in the country and nothing two can keep. You hear me? Big up the people them for acknowledge the world boss, although they know which part the world boss that, and them never use that against him. Them give him the award them where him rightfully deserve. So I got big them up for that. That's why I deal with, because where respect is due, respect due. Not like where you see Sunfest go on with and go on like say, them want choose money over respect. So them want title a certain local individual, you know what I mean? And then claim them want give them false crown. Let me tell you something. We don't fight against no man, you know. And we don't say no man shouldn't get no crown, you know. But I never in a today I couldn't 2020 I talk about. Him crowning should have been done long time from in a theme time. You see what I deal with? Him time pass him. It best if you give him a legendary award right now. Because if you go crown the man at this, you do the totally at this, the world boss. And let me tell you something. If you do that, when Vibes Cartel come from prison, you have to go have $3 million US. I not tell you about Jamaican dollar. You have to go have $3 million US if you want him work Sunfest. I tell you that because you know world boss, you know, the man they no bow down to no boy, you know. You hear that? What I say? If you don't have $3 million US, you not can get the man work on the Sunfest. So make sure you know what you're doing and I think Scatterburrell you're supposed to know, you know. You see me, because a long time you're there on, you know. Joe Dosa coming out this business, you know what I do, you know, and understanding yourself. Because you is a man who always come out on social media and I show how you rate Vibes Cartel and I big up Vibes Cartel. I don't know how you're along with this association and them come out with all them type of hypocrisy there, you know what I do, you know, Sunfest. Don't underestimate the powers of Gaza, you know. And we run dancehall, you know. Make sure you be careful, you know. You hear me I want, you know. I make me tell you something now, you know, Mobi. Because I find out say the man them shoot Tommy Lee daughter down on Mobi, you know. Make me tell you something. I don't care if it's a mistake or a beef steak or some chop steak. I don't care. You know what I mean? Once you shoot, look a baby and old people, my brethren, push out. You see me? Because let me tell you something. I don't rate them nowadays gunman here. Them won't go wicked. I grew up with a real bad boy there. What I mean by bad boy, I mean by bad boy. When I know any police can lock him up. You can't send them local lollipop police to come lock him up. He must be name brand police to lock up them name brand bad boy. What I tell you about. And him not run from him neither. Because him himself know him can't lock up the man. A real thing I tell you about. So I not tell you about wicked boy. Because them youth nowadays wicked, you know. I tell you about bad boy. You hear me? We send all messages go give police and them trembling fret. That them type of boy them I tell you about. I not tell you about them boy when them see police come, them have to take with themselves 200 miles per hour. Them man are not bad boy. Not talk about bad boy who have all them fire stick on him and him still stand up and talk to the police and soldier. Them youth are not bad boy. Them youth are wicked youth. But me I say, Mobi, especially flanker, right now, you know, let me tell you something. If you don't want to lose no respect, you know, Just go and make them think they go on down there and go like you want to play a blind eye to it. How can you be bad boy? And you see local kids in the street. And you still a squeeze necessary equipment. Yo, me not care, dog. You forget push out. You forget push out. Dash way, lock way. Me not care. Me not care. Because you not care neither. When you see the look of you them in the street and look how you still are going with. Eh? I saw no trigger happy. Eh? I saw no well want get rid of people. I saw you have a vampire. You have a blood sucker. I saw no well want suck people blood. Eh? You know all dopey maker. I saw no well want make dopey. What you do? No work at the cemetery. I wanna dig the grave. What's wrong with them people here? How sick can you not be? You know some sick individual, you know. You think you're not bad, you're not bad, you know. A wicked, you know, wicked and have no sense, you know. Whatsoever, you know. And you can't bet some of them who get up and not do them thing there, you know. Get up and broke and hungry every day, said we, you know. Yo, let me tell you something, you know, more beer. Boy, you shoot baby and old woman push out. And then a lollipop thing. You see what I did, and it's not because to a Tamil youth. This thing I go on too long. You don't respect people. You don't respect the look of youth them. And you don't respect all the people. But you don't want people for go no respect. Push out. And I don't know joke thing. And the general, the 10 star one I represent in a full effect. And I know each and every time I represent, you know what time it is. A loud explosion when I drop necessary equipment, because you know I'm not laugh with it, you know. And from people misbehave, you know, they made forget chop off with it, you know. And the general, you know, the 10 star one, you know. Yo, hey, yo, Gaza favorite, you know. Hear me, man? And the choose.